When Adam sees two kids arguing, he walks over and interrupts their play with a curiosity question. He helps them identify and name their feelings and reminds them that he is there to help, not to punish them.
I see some mad faces here. You both seem pretty upset that there's only one hoop.
Now that he's shown he's here to help, he gets down on their level and gives each kid space to share their feelings. He doesn't take sides but repeats their stories back to them. This makes them feel seen and heard.
Now I understand why you're upset. That would make me mad too.
Next, Adam empowers them by asking how they can move forward. He collaborates with them to make a plan, encouraging them to look inward for solutions.
Who has the first idea?
Once they come to an agreement, Adam checks that everyone is on board. Now, Adam will watch as the kids resume their game, and he'll step in again if he notices that they aren't sticking to their plan.
You really work together to find a way to play fairly. Are we all good?
Adam's intervention was empathetic and empowering. Failing to apply positive discipline techniques could lead to escalation and could leave the children feeling emotionally unsafe. Thanks to him, the kids can continue to play safely together, while Adam monitors,